Hey everyone, I'm Anne from English Valley Cafe. Welcome to this English lesson. Today I'm going to help you expand your vocabulary to help you speak more fluently in conversational English. Now, as you know, last week we talked about when to use as and like as a preposition and as a conjunction. If you missed that video, I will leave the card up here and also the link down in the description box, and you can check that out after this video. As I was preparing for this lesson, I realized, wow, there are a lot of expressions in English that uses the word as, and we use these expressions in daily conversation. So I'm super excited to share this with you and hope you'll enjoy this video. Are you ready? Let's dive into this lesson. First expression, as you know. As you know. And we use this when we want to say something that we know the other person knows already. And typically it'll come at the beginning of a sentence. So for example, as you know, there's a new lesson here every week on my YouTube channel. As good as it gets. What do you think this expression means? Let me give you an example. This isn't the best way to work out. Work out here means to exercise. But being in lockdown, this is as good as it gets. What do you think this means? It's used to talk about when there's no better options or nothing better is available. So this is as good as it gets. As of now. As of now, we don't have any seats available. And you might hear this when you go into a restaurant, you ask the host or the hostess, like, do you have a table available? They might say, as of now, we don't have any tables available. Okay, so that means that at this moment, there's nothing available. Now, sometimes you might hear as of followed by a date. So like as of Monday or as of July 31st. And this means that from this day on forward. For example, as of Monday, all employees must park their car in lot A. That means that starting from Monday and on, all employees must park their car in lot A. As long as, I'm sure you've heard of this one before. We can go out as long as we come home in time for dinner. So there's that condition there, like if or only if. So we can go out only if we can come home in time for dinner. Okay, so as long as. The next expression, as for. The service was top notch. As for the product, it didn't meet my expectation. What do you think as for means? When do we use it? We use as for to mention something else or like with regard to. So in this case, I'm talking about service and I'm talking about the product. So first I talked about the service being top-notch. Now I want to talk about the product, so I can say as for the product. The same as. We use this to talk about or compare two things that are the same. So for example, your cup is the same as mine. The next one, as we agreed. So you might talk to somebody and you guys agreed on something. As we agreed, I'll buy you lunch. Last but not least, as you suggested. As you suggested. So if somebody makes a suggestion and you tested it out, you tried it. For example, we tried the entree as you suggested. All right, did you learn a new expression? Which one? Let me know down in the comments by writing a sentence using this expression. And let me know if you want me to correct your sentence. I'd be happy to do it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up so I know. And also, you're helping me push this video out to more English learners. Thank you so much for joining me today. I will see you in the next video. Take care.